Things are happening in this country. Watch this.
Your life is dependent on the quality of your government. Everything you want to do in life is dependent on the quality of government you have. As we speak today, our passport is ranked maybe 160 in the world. It means you can go to fewer and fewer countries. Even African countries now require that you have a visa to come, which is not, it was not the same. There was a time in our lives when the Nigerian naira was equal to the British pounds. Today, the Nigerian naira is equal to 2,000, the British pounds are close to 1,950 or thereabout British in the Nigerian naira. So you exchange one British pound for almost 2,000 naira. Then let's talk about jobs. People think, people graduate and begin to pray for job and all manner of things. Jobs is a function of economic activities. And if the economic activities in the country got better, there will be more jobs. There will be more jobs, there will be more employment. This is not rocket science.
Yeah.
And it goes on and on. So for the youth, instead of the distraction of who is, taking advantage of who is sleeping with who is doing this on social media today, who is currently on social media today, who is my favorite, who is doing this, you need to pay a bit more attention. Elections is just once in every 4 years. So as this election approaches, the youth are the ones that will make the change that we desire. My encouragement to you is to go out on election day, vote for the candidate of your choice. I have my own candidate and I can publicly state it is well documented. Vote for the candidate of your choice. In fact, vote wisely. When we say vote wisely, you know who we are asking you to vote for. Vote wisely, and then after voting, the real work start defending your vote. Before they say vote and go home, no, this time I will encourage you not to go home. Sit with your vote, stay with your vote, come with data, come with water, wear comfortable shoes, and then sit with your vote. Make sure it is counted. Use the Kwankwansia model that they use in Kano. From the unit, you escort it to the ward. From the ward, you escort it to the local government. Local government escort it to the state. State, we escort it to Abuja. And they will declare a president for us. There's nothing the police can do when people are determined. There is nothing that the army can do when people are determined. There is nothing the DSS can do when people are determined. It is because the police, the army, the DSS all go to the same market that you and I go to. Fish is now a luxury. Meat is now a luxury. I bought a lap of turkey in Lekki, 10,000 naira. I couldn't eat it. I almost framed it and kept it somewhere. That is the cost of living today in Nigeria. It's your salary. Your minimum wage is 70,000 naira. To eat in any decent restaurant in this Lekki.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findthamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Now, for the record, as I'm talking to you now, as at July 29th, some armed men walking to Gateway ICT Polytechnic and nap some students, some still at 5, some still at 8. You don't understand? As I'm talking to you now, those students, they say that they request 30 million naira each for one person. Please, I want to urge the Nigeria police, I beg, may they try to do something for this matter. Because our students go there inside hostel, they go boss, government enter boss, carry children come out. How it happen? Where they follow like that? I don't know how the area to be. Because the thing they surprise me, I'm confused. How you go just walk into inside school, nap, they go successfully. How it happen? Sometimes I'm worried. Sometimes you get to go happen for Nigeria. This will not be even Tinubu matter. The people they take within that vicinity, so how they take manage carry full human being. As some saying it's 5, some saying it's 8. How it happen? This other photo where they see, so they say like one of the hostels so they for carry person and they just boss this place. So how it happen? Because the thing is funny. Students, you enter go, explain that. You show the people they did the area, so you should say they aren't clear. Because I'm confused. How you enter 8 students, I be 5 students. But I'm not sure of the number. Some news is saying 5, while some news they are saying 8. How will it happen? Like, wait till the reason. How it work for that vicinity? Police don't know, nobody know. They move like that. Other kind not pretty easy. If na primary school, you see na children na why. This one na Polytechnic, now they call it na university. No Faza or this thing for our cheap Polytechnic, that na Faza what they call it. No security for the is it that there was no enough security or what they go say tell me say make that if it impossible. Just like for inside Polytechnic university, na university they call them. How is that even possible? I say that the Polytechnic they build. I don't really know much about the area, but is it that the Polytechnic they build down for inside bush, inside middle of bush? How did they work? How they take carry students 5 or 8? That's the question me I'm asking. I beg, let me tag any Nigeria, the Nigeria police, DSS, anyone with it.
Upload your products and services on findthamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
You know, something you cannot take away from Tinubu is that he doesn't hide the fact that he tells you clearly that he's an afflictor. He came to punish you. He came to punish you for not using your head. He came to punish you for waiting for so long to bring down this system. He came to punish you for seeing that he midwifed the administration of someone like Muhammadu Buhari, and then you still allowed him to get to power without ensuring that people like him do not have a space or a stake in the decision making of the future of this country. And he's not going to rest. They're already planning the next level of affliction. He's saying that the country will stop to subsidize electricity. Not that in any way, if you go through all of these books, you can tell that all of this again is criminality being enforced and reinforced. But he's saying that should he be recoronated in 2027, there will be a second level of GehGeh. Someone said it's GehGeh Banza. Listen to what somebody is saying about all of this.
Government just come outside to talk, say from 2027, them go stop to make NEPA cheap for Nigerians. Just wait for a jump from 185 naira for 1 liter to over 600 naira back then in 2023, because of Mr. President come outside to talk, say government go stop to make fuel cheap for Nigerians.
The first subsidy is gone.
That same thing, that exact same thing won't happen to our electricity. How much will they pay for lights? But make I tell you something very, very important. This one will be like fuel, we jump overnight. Oh, this one the difference. Government plan say they go to come out their hand little by little. Say now small they go to come out hand from making electricity cheap to Nigerians. Meaning you know go just wake up one money and see say your electricity bill, your NEPA bill don't double. Everything will happen with that. But instead, now small it go to rise little by little until suddenly maybe a year from now you go just wake up to see say wait till they pay for the same amount of lights don't almost double, and you know go even fit remember when it starts. Now the government plan with that. Now why the government they do this one? Why are they doing this? According to them, the reason why they say they do this one now because of say the numbers no longer work for them. They can no longer keep up. Nigeria, they owe people where they generate our lights 6.5 trillion naira, and the money government they pay to make electricity cheap for Nigerians, it climbed reached 3 trillion naira last year. Last year alone, government even borrowed 2.3 trillion to use pay the money they owe these people they generate our lights. Wait till all this one mean be say government just come outside to come tell us say we can no longer be the body alone. We no go feed one. So now then they slowly transfer.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com so that people go they buy from you plenty.
Okay guys, my university studio is almost complete. You know understand? I built them in less than 2 months. After we had my studio day before, I tell many of now the landlord give me quit notice. Man, the quit notice for you. You see, April 1st, 2026. 6 months notice to quit. You know that they say, GehGeh, I don't want to see you around this place again. Leave here now. And what you tell me? I got okay. Instead make I go find another place, rent, carry this invest to go. I get this land before. When I buy this land after my poster, I got okay now. Make I just view the place, carry and come here. It's better than say okay, make I go carry the studio go another place. So I'll carry and I go inside, see the papers of everything I spent for inside, all the receipts there, and I go show you. You know that how much it costs for you to build it from foundation level to the level when it's there now. See the receipts of everything when I spend to this level, and I get less than 2 months to complete this thing. You know that. So if you add the 2 months when I don't spend before plus the extra 2 months when I get to complete the house, that's about 4 months to complete the project. You know understand? I go show you how much I spent for inside, all the receipts, so that if you want to build something like this, it will be very easy for you. But before that one, tell me congratulations for the comments. Say GehGeh, congratulations to you. You know understand? Carry the camera come. Are you a landlord?
No sir.
By the end of this year, you go be the house.
Amen, sir.
God bless you. Let's go.
Thank you, sir.
I want to go show on the inside. You see the DPC very high. Let me small it up going. DPC now plus the pope in almost 10 blocks. Right now. See the ante room. I build where if you be girl and you dey jobless, I bring one place for the up for you. Where you go dey twerk because you are jobless. That kind of place there for you. You know understand? Carry the camera come. Okay guys, see the receipt for here. I want to show you everything when I spent to take you this house to this level. You know understand? But before I show you, I want to introduce you to Carlos Delivery. Carlos Delivery is a platform where you can use to send gift items to your loved ones abroad. You want to send gift go China, UK, Canada, America, any part of the world without the person knowing where you send the gift come from. You want to send something like flower, ring, cap, customized hoodie, pizza, anything at all. You can send it through Carlos Delivery. So enter your phone and go to www.carlosdelivery.com.
Download Find Am now so that you can upload your products and services so that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.